Model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom 310 Ecotech spares or repairs good mileage needs engine. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 110280. MOT, the 21st of February 2025. Engine, 2198cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and want turnover. Engine has seized from a bent rod. The engine will need replacing or repairing. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.